What's up guys, Trans here bringing you another episode on how to make a Minecraft server for the Mac. So let's get started. First thing you'll have to do is right click, new folder, left click. For this case I'm going to do, for left click. For this case I'm going to do YouTube. Gonna left click. So now it's YouTube, I can drag that folder anywhere. Second thing you'll have to do is go to the Sci-Fi or Internet Explorer and type in the search bar, Google, www.google. In the Google search bar you will have to type bucket. Go to craft bucket. It should bring you to this website with a lot of lists. The one you're going to do is the development build 1.4.7-1R.1 12.0 megabytes. Click it, bring it to the downloads button. While that's downloading, we will get the other thing you'll need, which will be same thing at Google. So go to Google, type in bucket, and right here you're going to get server, setting up a server. We'll need that later, so for right now, done downloading. Open your YouTube file or your Minecraft server folder. Get the craft bucket that you downloaded, drag it in. You're going to left click, wait a couple seconds, and it's going to have you the option to rename your the craft bucket thing. You will want to all the way up till craft bucket. Left click. So now that we have that, we're going to get a new setting. We're going to go to applications, down to an editing source, which is, mine's going to be TechMate. We're going to say later. We're going to go Command S. We're going to say it right now. We're going to delete everything. Type run. Go to your profile name, whatever you named it. Then you're going to go to desktop, YouTube, or Minecraft server, and it's there. You're going to click save. So now that we have that saved, we're going to go to this. We're going to go up to setting up a server, scrolling down until we find macOS, OS X. Go down until we find this. We're going to Command C, go back to the folder, open up the run, Command V. We're going to close that out. We're going to click save. Now we're going to go to, we're going to open a new one, a new thing. If it's not, it's already open. So we're going to go to applications, utilities, terminal, and we're going to type this in right here, the ch mod space a plus x space. Then we're going to drag our run file on top of the terminal thing that you have open. Let go, click enter. That will create this. So now that we have that done, we can close the terminal, and we're going to click run. This is going to set up your whole server and load the spawn and area and all that. The default port for Minecraft is 25565. You are going to want if you already have a server running for Windows or anything, and it says, oh, there's a server already running on this port because you have another server open, you can change this port by going to server properties, click server port. I'd say change it to, so 67. Click Command S, close it. You're going to now shut off your server, stop it, click any button, and then you're gonna run it again. And see, now that this is on 25567, we can close that. 25567. So now that we have it all running, you'll need to open Terminal. If you don't know how to open Terminal, you're going to go to Finder, Applications, Utilities, Terminal, not voice off, over. You're going to go to Terminal, type in ifconfig. That is for every Mac. You're going to find two ports actually, the Intel and the XL. No idea where the XL is on this, but it can be 192.168.0.1 or .0 after the .0, after the 168. Anyways, you're going to write down the Intel because we'll need that for later. So you're going to exit that after you write that down. We're going to open this and we're going to add a new tab, and we're going to type in the XL and go to, and we're going to press enter. It can be .0 or .1. In this case, it's 1 for me. We're going to click login. Before I log in, I want to show you this. So we can have admin, nothing, admin, admin, admin password. Or, if that doesn't work, get a hold of your router company and ask them for it. Yes, ask them for it. In this case, I'm going to log in and go to Applications and Gaming. If not, we can go to, there will be one that just says port forwarding. In that case, we're going to go to port forwarding. I already did this because I already made a video for something else, and so I'm going to re-show you guys. So the server port is what you need to put in the port range. You're going to put 25565 if this is your first server, and then the other port if you already had a server and you changed it. In this case, mine is 25567. You're going to go to both. If it only has TCP and UDP and not a both, or and them together, you'll have to create two separate ports for the one server. One that's TCP and one that's UDP. I don't know why, don't ask me. Then your Intel port goes here to 192.168.0.22. In my case, that is mine. That is what you wrote down earlier. Then you're going to click Enable and then save your settings. And save your settings again just for good measure. Then you're going, and then you're going, if someone's trying to join your server from your house, this is the one you're going to use, :25565. If you are the host it's going to be localhost, but I will show you that in Minecraft. So now we click save. That was just the port forwarding. You're done. Now other people can join you. Now I'm going to run Minecraft. And it's going to be, I'm going to type all this in. Might have to update because I didn't update it before. Try again. There has to update because I created a new profile for this. So there, it's updating. Give me a minute. Oh, before you go into Minecraft, open your server again. I'm not smart and I didn't do that. Open it again. It's important to keep it open. I'm going to show you this error. If you have a server running and it's 25565, it will come up with this error that you try to run it again if you're trying to create a new server. That means that you'll have to change the port, or you double clicked it in my case like I just did. Goes down, all the way down, it says done. So now we go to add server. We'll say my server for this case. Press tab. Now we're going to go. This is if you're running it from your computer. This is if you're running it inside your house, like if your brother or sister is running from this in your house, it'll look like this. But it could be this if it's your first server. Or if someone is not in your house, it can be to find your XL port for other people outside of your house to join. You'll have to go to your internet browser and click IP chicken. Go down, press enter. IP address. That's exactly, this is, if you go there, perfect, that's what you need for your all of your friends to join, or anyone else outside of your house will have to log in with that. So it's if that's your first server, it will look like this. And I messed these up because it's supposed to be 2.219. Then over it. Or, like me, and it's your second server, it'll look like this. So that, and I'll click done and join it. See that saying that I logged in with the entry ID of 279. So, if you want to opt yourself, do opt hunt port. And on Minecraft, you'll say the console opt hunt port. Okay, so now that we have that, and we can go here and we can do a couple commands like /game mode. Game mode 1. I can change myself to creative to create the spawn and get out of the forest, because everyone hates the forest. And so, yeah, you can also do that from the console. When you're typing from the console, never do a /. it will like just it'll give an error and it won't work. So thank you guys for watching. This is how to make your own Minecraft server for the Mac. It's been a lot of fun. Thank you. If you really like this video, please click like. If you want to learn more about port forwarding or any of that, please leave a comment and I'll try to answer you. And if you really like my videos, you can subscribe to me. Thanks again, guys. Trans97. Bye.